Hello everyone, this is Amit Lathikra. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how can we reverse an entered number. Meaning, if user is entering a number say 1, 2, 3, 4, if this is an input, I want to reverse this number, meaning whatever the last digit that I want to keep it at first place, second last digit at second place and so on. So here this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So in output, I need 4, 3, 2, 1. If input is 769, then output will be 967. If input is 48, then output will be 84, something like this. So I want to reverse the number through its digits. How we can achieve this kind of output? Let's analyze this program. Say my number as an input is 1, 2, 3, 4, and what I need is as an output 4, 3, 2, 1. So I want to place digits like this from reverse. I want to start digit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, basically extracting a digit already discussed in my previous videos. If we apply a modulo 10 operation, then we are getting reminder as a digit from rightmost side. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 modulo 10, it gives me digit as 4. And now here in this 4, 3, 2, 1, if we simplify this output, then it is basically 4000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 1. The same program we can work out with multiple logics, out of which I am demonstrating you a simple logic. So basically, it is nothing but adding appropriate number of zeros. If it is 4 digit number, then starting with appending 3 zeros. If it is a 3-digit number, for example 234, then I need as an output 432. So if I simplify this, then it is 400 plus 30 plus 2. So 400 plus second last digit is 3, so 30 and then 2. So how we can do this? It depends on the length of the number in terms of total number of digits. Here it is 4. So if we find, say, for example, 10 raised to 3, then this is what exactly what we require, that is 4000. Then this 1, 2, 3, 4 number, I need to make it 1, 2, 3. So if we divide it with 10, if we find its integer part, then 1, 2, 3, 4. If we divide it with 10, then it becomes 1, 2, 3.4. But I need only integer part, so it is 1, 2, 3. Then we need to repeat the process for this 1, 2, 3. Again, if we find its remainder value by doing modulo operation, then it gives me rightmost digit as 3. What exactly we require is now 300. My length of the number is now 3. So 3 into 10 raised to 2, that is 300. So this is what the second addition which we require. If we again divide it with 10, this 1, 2, 3, if we divide it with 10 and if we find integer part of it, then it is 1, 2. And if we find again its remainder value using modulo 10, then we'll get rightmost side 2. Length of this number in terms of digits 2. So 2 into 10 raised to 1. So it is 20. Finally, 12 divided by 10. It is 1. Then 1 into 1 modulo 10 will get remainder as 1. And total number of digits 1 here. So 1 into 10 raised to 0. That is 1. So in output 1. 1 divided by 10, 0.1, its integer part 0 means we need to stop. So here we'll get 4,000, then 300, then 20, then 1. If we add this together, it becomes 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4, 3, 2, 1. This is what the number which we require in reverse order. So here, if you can observe, we are doing something similar. What we are doing, we are finding modulo operation to extract the rightmost digit. We are multiplying 10 raised to n here in meaning total number of digits minus 1. Initially sum we can initialize it to 0. This 4,000 we can add it to sum. Then we divide the number with 10. We'll keep only integer part. Repeat the process. So if it is 1, 2, 3, extracting 3 into 10 raised to 2, 300, we are adding it to the sum. Earlier it was 4,000, now it is 4,300. Again division, again extracting digit, finding a digit, multiplying with 10 raised to n logic, 20. So adding it to the sum, at this point it is 4320 and finally 1. So this is a simple logic of this program. Now let's try to write its Python program. What we require is we require an input from the user. So let's consider it as a number, and let's take input through integer conversion of string, because here if you are entering 1, 2, 3, 4, it is considered as string 1, 2, 3, 4. So enter any number. This is an input. What I want to do, I want to find its reverse. So let's consider one variable reverse, same as sum, initializing with 0. And then we need a loop. So let's have say while my number is not equivalent to 0, because we are dividing number with 10 till we reach to the 0. We need to extract the digits. So digit is equal to number modulo 10. Once we are having digit with us, what we need to do, we need to find first of all how many digits are in this number, so that we can find using length. But here it is integer conversion of my input, and length is basically for string. So what I need to do, I need to convert it back to a string for a time being. So length of my number, we need -1, and then we need to find 10 raised to this, and whatever the output we are getting, we need to multiply it with digit. So digit into, and this I need to add into this variable RNO. So RNO is equal to digit into 10 raised to length. Let's understand how it works, this statement. And whatever the existing value, I need to add into that value. So basically it's RNO plus digit. So let's understand this statement. Let me copy it from here and let's place it here for understanding that how it is going to work. So let's place it here for timing, and let's check it out here. This is my number, say 1, 2, 3, 4. We are extracting the last digit, that is 4. So here digit is basically a 4. So let's use digit as 4. My this variable's initial value is 0. 10 raised to length. What is the length of my number? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 digits. So here in length it gives 4. So here in length it gives me a 4. This 4 minus 1 meaning 3. 10 raised to 3 meaning 1000. So 0 plus 4 into 1000. So basically it is 4000, and this is what we require in this particular step. So this is my program. 10 into this, let's put it inside the bracket. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We ended appropriately. And then finally, we need to replace a number. So number is equal to number divided by 10. It gives a real number. We require its integer representation. So let's convert it into the integer back. So this loop iterates at end. It gives us a number in reverse order, so that I want it in output. So let me use print. That number is, and here I want to print value of RNO. So let's save this program and let's check an output how it works. So Python and name of my program and enter any number. Let me enter 1, 2, 3, 4, and in output it is 4, 3, 2, 1. Similar way, let me keep 8, 5. Output is 5, 8. Let me keep single digit number. So 9. It doesn't make any sense. Output is 9. Let's consider some random 6-digit long number. So expected output, and the output is same, 3, 2, 6, 4, 5, 8. So this is a simple Python program to reverse a number. And even you can extend this program to consider whether number is palindrome or not. So basically palindrome is the actual number and whatever the number you are getting in reverse order. If both are same, then it is considered as palindrome. For example, 151, and if you reverse it, it is also 151. So it is a palindrome kind of thing. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a good time ahead.